In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily task in Todoist. If you're new to Todoist or just looking to streamline your task management, creating daily tasks is a fantastic way to ensure consistency and keep a rhythm in your daily routine. So let's dive in and walk through the simple yet effective process of setting up a daily task. To begin, let's head over to the Todoist website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in apptodoist.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in or go ahead and sign in with your account details to access your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, and right from your active dashboard, you'll notice a button labeled Add Task. It's usually located at the top bar or to the left sidebar among your project tools. Go ahead and click on that button. This opens up a new window or a pop-up depending on your settings where you can input the details of your task. Now, it's time to type in the task you want to turn into a daily ritual. Be clear and specific with this. For instance, if it's a task like practicing meditation, you might type morning meditation. This will help you stay organized and focused, understanding precisely what needs to be done each day. Once you've named your task, the next step is to set the date. You'll see a calendar icon or a date field. Click on it. This is where you'll choose the start date for your task. If you plan to start the task tomorrow, for example, click on tomorrow's date on the calendar. After selecting your start date, you'll see an option to repeat the task. Click on Repeat to access the repeat settings. Setting a task to repeat is crucial if you're aiming to make a habit out of it. Look for the simple option to repeat every day. Click on that, and this instructs Todoist to add the task to each day automatically, generating a seamless daily task queue. Let's wrap up by finalizing your task setting. You'll see another Add Task button after configuring the repeat schedule. Go ahead and click that to save all your settings. Congratulations! Your task is now programmed into Todoist to appear every day without needing to be manually added. Finally, to verify everything is set, click on the Inbox pane, usually found within the left navigation menu. This lists all your current tasks, and you should see your newly created daily task right there. If it's visible, you're all set to tackle it when the time comes. And that's it. This is how you create a daily task in Todoist, ensuring you keep track of habits effortlessly. By establishing this cycle, you'll enhance your productivity, helping each day to start with clarity and purpose. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.